We are on the bus on our way to Corinth.
4
In 6.
Those are numbers.
4 in,
And that is sign language.
which she doesn't know.
And we're Heidi A partners, but not
today,
Not today.
which is sad.
We're cooler.
We're the coolest.
Ah, very.
But
But
what? We're getting sexy on the bus.
Oh,
Because we get sexy wherever we go. Because we the biz, right? We the biz. We the biz.
Yes.
Business.
This is a phone.
Your gum is falling on your lap.
Thanks.
I got a new haircut. It probably just looks best.
I like it though, actually. And you got this new skin. It's very cute. I like the stud better than the ring.
Yeah, I had a loop in this morning, but I took it out, and it freaking hurt to take it out because I had to, like, roll it out.
Freaking hurt.
Freaking hurt.
Like freaking dogs, man.
And like, the bus just got a bitch out because some of us were late.
But I wasn't one of them.
I wasn't late either, so we were